Hey guys, it's Laban back at it again. Transform Now Fitness. Kama uja subscribe bado, hit the like and subscribe button. Today we're going to change gears kidogo. We're going to do a cooking show. I'm going to show you one of the healthy options I normally take, which is a vegetable stir fry. This I bought from Wangige Market. It's right close to Huko. There's some broccoli hapa ndani. There's cauliflower, there's purple cabbages, there's cucumbers, there's carrots, and there's French beans. And we're going to stir fry it with these viungos. We're going to use some onion, some garlic, some bell peppers, hoho, kama ujui. There's some green bell peppers here. There's some actual peppers for the spice. And then there's tomatoes to add some acid to it. And the spices themselves, there's garam masala. This is garam masala. There's Spanish paprika right here. And 2 cubes of Royco. You with me, guys? Aya. So we're going to get started. First you toss in the onions. On a large flat pan like this one. Doesn't have to be this big. Then you pour in a dash of oil. A good dash. And stir it until it's golden brown. So this one of mine will take a bit of time because this my pan is very big pan. When they've turned just slightly brown, you don't have to make them golden brown. Just a nice brownness. Onions use me. That would be like perfectly golden brown. You add the garlic to the mix. You can dice it up like I did or grind it with a pestle and water, whichever you prefer. Cook's choice. So after the garlic has been fried for a bit, it's time to add the spices, guys. Don't be afraid to add spices. Spices actually increase your metabolism and they help you lose weight. Did you know that? You can lose weight when having fun with spicy food. Now you know. And most importantly, let your spices fry in there. Don't rush your spices. I'm now ready to toss in these bell peppers, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and actual pepper. I'm going to toss them in and stir them just for a short while because they get a bit intense. Not the rest of the pepper in here. So it starts simmering instead. Once you just fry them for a bit, you can toss in your mixed chopped vegetables. We got this. Dun, dun. Vegetable stir fry. Final step, my guys. Now I add the tomatoes. These are to make it a sauce. Saucy. We all like thick sauces. Some salt. Salt. After adding tomatoes, add some salt for taste. Now here's the tricky bit. You have to look at the vegetables and be like, hii itatosha? Yes, no? Spread it out, real nice. Then, final step, add some water. I'm not even going to show me holding this beautiful jug. Add some water. So here you don't want to add too much, just enough that it steams itself, but not too much that you drown it. Don't drown it. Don't put dufu, please, my guys. The dufu is how you mess it up. You then cover your vegetable fryer so that it steams. Now this doesn't take too long, maybe around 10 to 15 minutes, and this will be ready. So guys, it's been 10 minutes. Let's check up on our mixed vegetable fry and see how it's doing, huh? Yes, it's ready. It's aromatic. It smells nice. Look at it. Just look. Your mouth is watering, isn't it? It's very good. You can pair this with ugali or rice. And now it's ready, so we're going to serve ourselves this meal and enjoy a hearty, healthy, good meal. Delicious, spicy, all of them. That's it, guys. The food is ready. We've paired it with some rice, and I'm hungry. Delicious, just like I expected. Also remember, guys, fitness it's not just in the gym, it's also how you sleep, how you eat, and what you drink.